Here's a video for the 2020 Cadillac XT4 all-wheel drive Sport. This car is decked out in added packages, so let me break it down. There is a comfort and convenience package, which is $2,000 extra. "20-inch wheels, cold weather package, dual panel power sunroof, rear heated seats, you get the Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation, heated and ventilated seats, driver awareness package, the front seats are also massage, there you have it for the 2020 Cadillac XT4 all-wheel drive Sport.